All right, so I have Clorox Ultra Clean toilet tablets that I'm going to be adding to my toilets right here. These right here, they kill 99.9% of bacteria. There's 2 packs in here and it cleans for 6 months, so it says right here. There's some ingredients in here. I'm not going to get into that because I can't quite pronounce them. But on the back, it's relatively simple instructions, directions for use. It's in violation of federal law to use this product in a manner inconsistent with labeling. It says to sanitize, clean, and deodorize. For best results, clean toilet bowl thoroughly, including the rim, cut open package, do not touch tablet directly. Then you flush the toilet and the water in the tank is low, drop the tablet in the water, into the right rear corner of the tank. See the diagram it's showing right here. It says when tablet has dissolved, replace with this product. Each tablet sanitize the toilet in water in 5 minutes for 6 weeks, effective for up to 10 flushes per day. Tablets should be used in toilets that are flushed daily. All right, so I have this right here. And I'm going to go ahead and place this in there. I have the toilet is already cleaned, but for video purposes, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Clean the toilet. It's already clean, so I'm not going to go through that. I already did that. So what it's saying is, I'm supposed to come up here and flush the toilet. So this is a different toilet, so I'm going to flush it. I'm going to remove this right here. It says wait until the water is low, and you should have opened up the packet ahead of time. I didn't. It says you're supposed to take this and use scissors to cut it open. Don't have scissors? Let me grab some scissors. All right, so I have my scissors, and I'm going to do this process over again. Now, according to the instructions, you're supposed to clean the toilet first. I already did that, so I skipped that part for the video purposes. Use my scissors to open this up. And it says when the water is low, you're supposed to drop the tablet. And I suggest using gloves when using this product, handling this product. So the water's low, put it in the corner, which I'm going to do right here. Drop it down in the corner. Whoa, well, splash. All right, so it's in there, and once it's in there in the corner, you see it down there, just gonna go ahead and replace this like that, and it's good for a while. All right, so that's the bleach, and so it says in 5 minutes it'll sanitize the water, and you can flush it, and you'll have sanitized toilet bowl water. So that is the Clorox Bleach Ultra Clean Tablet right here. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.